When I started with Oakwyn, I think I was either the 12th or 14th agent. At the time, we were about 1,000 square feet over top of a coffee shop on Cambie and 25th. I'm Robin Bardon, and I'm with Oakwyn Realty. I run my team, Bardon Associates. We've been together as a team for about 5 years now.
Jason is probably one of the kindest people you'll ever meet. He's always willing to help. I don't think I've ever seen him in a bad mood.
Kaylee, she's the backbone of our team. She keeps us all organized. She's on top of everything, super responsive, and she really makes our clients feel comfortable.
I guess to summarize Robin, I would say that he's a genuine person.
I think the perfect way to describe Liam is that he is quintessential Pacific Northwest.
I think Greater Vancouver supports an active lifestyle in every possible way.
The great thing about working with Robin and Liam and Kaylee is there's no egos. Everyone's there to help you.
More than 80% of our business is past clients or referral base.
When somebody calls me and puts their trust in myself or a member of my team or all of us as a group, it feels awesome. It's nice to know that they're putting their own reputation on the line in order to get somebody to work with us.
Purchasing and selling real estate can be quite stressful. It's one of your biggest investments. So we would just want to make sure that our clients are taken care of the entire way.
Having a family is a huge motivator because there's a lot of additional responsibilities, financially and otherwise, that come with having a family, and also, you know, I love my family so much, and I just want to be able to give them everything I can. This business has been a wonderful thing for myself and my family. I love being a real estate agent. I love helping people reach their real estate goals. I love learning more about it so that I can impart that knowledge onto my clients and colleagues alike.
I feel great being part of an awesome brokerage and an amazing team.